Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among the green hills, lived a young boy named Siddharth. He was kind-hearted and curious, always seeking wisdom and understanding in the world around him. One day, as he wandered through the forest, he came across a group of monks sitting under the shade of a bodhi tree. The monks welcomed Siddharth with warm smiles and invited him to join their meditation session. Intrigued, Siddharth sat down with them and listened as they spoke out the power of thoughts, feelings, and imagination. The words resonated deeply within him, and he wanted to learn more about this profound wisdom. In the following days, Siddharth visited the monks regularly, and they became his mentors, guiding him on a path of spiritual growth. He learned that one's thoughts shape their reality, and that by cultivating positive and compassionate thoughts, one could bring happiness and goodness into their life. Siddharth practiced meditation and mindfulness, striving to harness the power of his mind. He discovered that when he focused on positive aspirations and believed in his capabilities, he felt a sense of joy and peace within himself. This newfound contentment attracted kindness and support from others, enhancing the harmony in his life. As Siddharth delved deeper into his spiritual journey, he began to understand the interconnectedness of all living beings. He realized that the energy he radiated affected not only his life, but also the lives of those around him. With this insight, he became even more mindful of his emotions, knowing that what he felt had a way of influencing the people he encountered. One evening, while meditating by a serene lake, Siddharth closed his eyes and allowed his imagination to take flight. He envisioned a world where people lived in harmony, free from suffering and ignorance. In his mind's eye, he saw himself guiding others towards enlightenment and peace. Inspired by this vision, Siddharth dedicated himself to spreading the wisdom he had acquired. People from far and wide came to hear him speak about the transformative power of thoughts, feelings, and imagination. His teachings resonated with them, and his gentle presence brought solace to troubled hearts. As years passed, Siddharth's wisdom and influence spread like ripples in a pond, touching countless lives. The young boy who had once wandered the forest in search of knowledge had now become known as Buddha, the Enlightened One. Buddha's teachings continue to inspire people even to this day. His message reminds us that our thoughts create our reality. Our feelings attract energies into our lives, and our imagination has the power to shape our destinies. By choosing to cultivate positivity, love, and compassion within ourselves, we can transform not only our lives, but also the world around us. The legacy of Buddha's teachings remains an eternal guiding light for those seeking the path of spiritual awakening and inner peace. And so, the wisdom of the Enlightened One continues to touch hearts and minds, offering a timeless message of hope and transformation.